Mike Hughes here. I'm at Lita's all natural insect repellent and insect bite itch relief. And the reason why I'm doing that is because there's so many places you go diving where you run into insects. And Lita, you want to tell us a little more about these products?
Sure. I've created this product myself for my own self-preservation, and now I'm sharing it with the rest of the world. And so it's made with essential oils. It's made with patchouli, sesame, and tea tree. It comes in a variety of bottles. We have the roll-on bottle, which is great for applying to insect bites to remove the itch or the sting.
Okay.
But you can also use this for repelling insects. You know, spreading it around a small area and spreading and getting uniform coverage.
Or hit them with the bottle.
You can hit them with the bottle too. You get those little buggers. And then we have mini sprayers, you know, for taking out on a day's outing. And then it also comes available in a travel spray bottle.
For big bugs.
For the big mosquitoes of Minnesota.
Okay, that works.
So all these bottles are refillable. This bottle will last you on a trip for approximately a week. So I usually put one in my dive locker and I have one in my room, that I'm not searching for the bottle.
Okay. And then we have a refillable size too.
We do. We have the refill bottle, and you can use that to refill the roll-on as well as the mini sprayer and the travel spray bottle. And let's say you're outside and you really don't want to put anything on. We now carry insect repellent candles. So this color right here is the original scent. That comes with the oils that are here, and they're all made in soy wax. This is soy wax with cedarwood. And this is soy wax with lemongrass, and they've all been proven effective to keep insects out of an area of 120 square feet, so basically a 10 by 12.
10 by 12 area, as long as there's not a hurricane.
Then you might need one more candle.
Okay, one more candle for hurricanes. There we go. And I see you have little gifts
We're
sets.
doing a drawing. We have travel sets.
Oh, that'll be for DEMA, but they won't know about that. So if they want more information about your products, where we're going to go to?
NoSee'emNoMore.com, or you can do a search for Lita's Natural Insect Repellent, and then my website will come up. And so we have some great specials for like travel sets or get the sets, and we try to make package deals to make your vacation wonderful.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you. Thanks for coming by.